Hello guys, we are back with that scratch chapters. If you don't know what we did in the last chapter, go ahead and watch our previous part. So I'm just gonna rename it because I just didn't. I was too lazy for it. I'm gonna say it part 2 because in part 1 we learned about the basics. It is part 3. In part 1 we learned about the basics, like what is scratch and what are these things, sprites. And in part 2 we learned about the motion tab, and in this part we are gonna learn about the looks tab. Now, what is looks tab? It just like say hello for 2 seconds, this specific time. And just let my event block go. Yeah, and this is like say hello. It is just gonna say, like, just look at this, hello, and it is not even gonna, like, it is never gonna stop. But if we use for this specific time of seconds, then it is gonna do hello and it is gonna clear itself. Now, what is different between say and think? Just look, circular and square, but dots. Yeah, this is the same like this and this is same like this. Now we are coming to switch costume. Like I described what is a costume, like if I just paint one real quick like this and one more real quick, subscribe, like you should do like now. And what I'm gonna do, like if I do next costume, what is the current costume? Costume number 4. Then it is gonna shift to costume 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Whenever we click the block, like look, scratch, running, now our box, and now subscribe. Okay, you can choose specific blocks, like costume 1 was a simple sprite, and costume 2 was a running sprite, just like this. Costume 3 was a box, and costume 4 was a subscribe. So from here we can also switch the backdrop. I haven't painted the backdrop, but it is same as costume, so no worry needs. Yeah, and now this one's kinda important, and I also personally use it really in my projects. Now what is this? And you can also change the size to like 500%. Yeah. Subscribe. You can also do it manually, like change size by just like the motion tabs. Where was it? Yeah, change X and change Y, just like that. You can change size by, and this is set size to like just the set X, set Y. And if you haven't watched, then you wouldn't probably understand this much. So go ahead, watch it. I have explained in that video in detail. So go ahead and watch that. Now this is change color effect by 25. What does it does? Let me just real quick set it to 500. Yeah, just see. Yeah, that's kinda cool. Without any costume. Costume is the same, but just a simple code. You can change the effect if you want, but 25 is the most basic one. And you can set it, like I don't know what number of it is, but if I wanna set it to 100, poopa. And you can also clear. This is not only color but fisheye. Just look at this. This is kinda disgusting. Yeah, not really, because you can use it like in couple of projects and yeah. Like if you want someone to feel their head like a bit heavy by doing this in a loop. And pixelate, just pixeling it into something that only Minecrafters can understand. Mosaic, just hiding, no, multiplying. Yeah. Infinite subscribers. Yeah, please subscribe. I'm so lonely. This is gonna change the brightness and eventually make it disappear. And set and change are like almost the same. So not asking me to tell this. And ghost effect, what does it does? Ghost effect, it like fades it out, but while brightness doesn't really fades it out, it changes the brightness. Like if you are using a really dark color like black, it is gonna slowly do it, but ghost is gonna do it normally. Now show and hide, it is the like just one of the most important things of your entire project. Like at one time you don't want this to show, only you want to show your ball, you are gonna use the hide script. Wow, where it gone? But with a click of a code, it is there again, and you can like stack them. What is gonna do? Hide, 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 because hide is at the down. Now show, show, show. But if I do like show, hide, show, what is gonna do? Hide, show, hide, show, and it's eventually gonna show. Yeah. Now go to front layer. This works mainly when you are using multiple sprites. For example, this is overlaying the subscribe, and we want you to hit the subscribe button. So we will use go to front layer. It overrides it. No matter what, until this code is running in a loop, it is never gonna get back. And this is the same, but it is gonna go forward or backward the number of layers. Like if I just real quick duplicate it, yeah, that should be enough. Like this is overlapping on both of these, but if I go to back layers and I go forward one layer, then it is gonna go forward from this and then finally this and this. But if I click on this, it is gonna directly do back or the front layer. Yeah, and now this is the costume number, backdrop number, and size, just like I told you in the like this x position, y position, that it determines what the x or y positions are actually. Like you can control your sprite with your keys or something and want to know the exact locations of your sprite. And this is the same like if you choose a costume randomizer and want to know the number of which costume it is actually is, then you can use like costume number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like that. And this is backdrop number, same for the backdrop. This is what the size actually is. The size is currently 500. If I change it to 20, that is not pretty good. 22, yeah, I wanted to set to 20. You can't go less than 22, but I can go to 125. And I'm just gonna increase the brightness, and we are running on charging. So yeah, we are all right. Yeah, we are almost completed for the look step. Thank you guys. Hope I see you in the next video. Bye guys.